welcome to my video. If you don't know who I am Robin Kay. First time here, welcome. If not, welcome back. I am a Chalk Couture independent designer, and today I'm going to be doing, I had already did a video on our September club transfer. If you're a club member, this is exclusive to club members and designers only. And I'm going to be also using this fall leaf transfer, forest leaf pattern, I should say. It is currently out of stock on my site. It should be restocked the 21st through the 25th of September, which would be next week. And I'm going to be putting on these found surfaces. I wanted to do door tags, and I saw everybody doing these cute door tags, so I ordered these online, and I painted them some white chalk paint. And now in our new autumn winter catalog, we do carry door tags, so you can also get them there. These are 6 by 18. The ones in our catalog are 9 by 12, and they fit a B-size transfer nicely. So first thing, we've got some new surface wax, which doesn't smell or stain. Sometimes the waxes do, but this one doesn't. And since this is, I painted this, and I want to make sure that it doesn't stick. My transfer doesn't stick, and I don't pull up the white paint. I'm going to wax it. Now, I've already marked the back of my transfer, and the reason you want to mark the back of it is because it is shiny, and that's where you want to stick the transfer back to. You can use our transfers, they say 8 to 12 times. I've heard people use them like 50 times, so they are many uses. It's easy to pull up this way. I don't want it to stick on itself, so it's easier to backwards. Transfers, they used to tell us once you've used them to clean them, put them in a water bath. They don't want you anymore. They've redone the transfers, and they are a water soluble, and they are made from many chemicals, and so they say just take them over the sink and wash them right away. Let's see what angle I want to do this at. I'm going to do it at an angle so that way I get to all corners. If you notice, the edges here have a little bit of a line around it, and so I want to make sure that if I lay it on the edge, I want to make sure I get this whole thing covered, even though I'm going to be covering it up with the other. comes October, I'll flip it over and I will flip it over and we'll have Halloween. So check out my next video, which I'm going to be doing these with a Halloween. I want to thank you for watching, and please click like, give me thumbs up. All the information will be down below. Check out my links below. My site is chalkcouture.com/RobinK. So bye, and I'll see you in the next video.